Greetings, 8th graders. This is Mr. Rogers. Obviously, I'm not in the room with you today, so remember I am down in Iowa at my great aunt's funeral today. So that doesn't mean that the learning stops for you guys, though. You're going to continue to do some interesting work in looking at galaxies and looking at galaxy types and learning a little bit more about those. What you see on the screen right here in front of you is a website that I created that has information on the 3 basic kinds of galaxies. There are over 2 trillion galaxies in our universe, but really they only come down to 3 specific types of galaxies. So there are some common patterns here. What you and your new table team are going to be doing today is first of all researching about each of these galaxy types and then creating some mini posters. And the teacher that's in the room with you today will have some of the poster paper that you need. There'll be rulers, markers, colored pencils, things that you might need in order to create this mini poster. And the idea is that your table team will create a mini poster for each of these galaxy types. So your table group will make a spiral galaxy poster. You'll make an elliptical galaxy mini poster. These are all mini posters again. And then your team will also make an irregular galaxy poster. What the poster looks like would come from this right here. This is kind of the template that I want you to follow. Literally down to even drawing the lines and making the squares and things like that. In the center of your poster is this box area, which you will put the galaxy type name. So if you were making the spiral galaxy poster, you'd write spiral galaxy here where it says galaxy type. If it was elliptical, you'd write elliptical galaxy, and so on. And you'll notice it's broken into 4 different quadrants, 4 different sections. So if we look at the upper left, you and your team are going to research from the website and decide what the essential information is about that particular galaxy type. If we just use spiral as an example, you'd list, probably in a bulleted list, you make a bulleted list of facts about spiral galaxies. Essential information though, so that means you don't have to write everything down from the website onto here, but just make decisions where you think this is essential information. It's really, really important. You'll notice over in the upper right hand corner, there's uniqueness. And by that we mean in this corner you would put information that seems unique to that galaxy type. So it would be information that's completely different is the reason why your galaxy type is completely different from the others. So it would be very unique, specific only to that galaxy type. So again, if we keep the spiral galaxy as our example, here you would put information that's unique just to spiral galaxies. Besides, there may be a little bit of overlap here, but certainly you can have different kinds of information in both of these. The bottom left is easy enough. It's just an example drawing, and you'll see lots of pictures on the website, and you'll be able to look at those and sketch out what that galaxy type would look like down here in the bottom right, or bottom left. Over in the bottom right, you're going to place burning questions. And this actually might be the hardest part, because you and your team have to think up of some questions, some follow-up questions, to things that you're curious about. So you've done all this research. What is it you still don't know the answer to? What is it that you would like to know more about when it comes to this particular galaxy type? So really kind of let your creativity take hold, and you can decide how you want that to look and what kind of questions you want to ask. Create this for the spiral, create one for the elliptical, and create one for the irregular. And when I'm back on Tuesday, we'll actually be placing these out in the hallway. But the cool part is we'll actually put these posters together on the wall in order to recreate the shape of that galaxy. So all of our spiral galaxy type mini posters we'll put on the wall on Tuesday and actually make it look like a spiral galaxy with big spiral arms. The elliptical galaxy, will put all the elliptical posters together to make it look like an elliptical galaxy. You might remember this from last year, walking through the ramp area, or you might not, but either way, that's what we're going to be creating this year. And of course, when you're on the website, the website will be linked on Schoology, and then you just click on the galaxy type, and it takes you to the information. Some of the pictures might be animated, others will be static and not moving. Things should be labeled. And hopefully it all makes good sense to you. And you can certainly ask around and ask questions of me back again on Tuesday if you do happen to have questions. So that's the plan for today. I need you guys to really produce good work today so that when I'm back again tomorrow, we're able to hit the ground running and continue to exploring like what makes these galaxy types unique and how are they different, and how this all feeds into the essential question about whether or not you or I matter to the universe. Good luck. You should have all the resources that you need right there in the room and right there on your iPad. Remember, you can get to these things, the links, through Schoology. So I wish you all the best, and we will see you on Tuesday. Good luck, everybody.